Getting up to speed with English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English expression, getting up to speed. This phrase is commonly used in both professional and casual settings, but what does it actually mean? Stick around as we break it down for you, making it easier to understand and use in your daily conversations. Getting up to speed is an idiomatic expression that means becoming fully informed or up to date with all the necessary information about a particular topic, situation, or task. It's about gaining knowledge or skill needed to understand or perform something effectively. Imagine you're joining a project halfway through. You'd need to get up to speed with what's been done so far. This phrase likely comes from the idea of a car accelerating to match the speed of traffic on a highway. Just as a car needs to speed up to blend in and move along with other vehicles smoothly, a person needs to acquire knowledge or skills to match the pace of a group or situation. To make it clearer, let's look at some examples. In the workplace, I just started a new job, and there's a lot to learn. I'm spending the first week getting up to speed with the company's policies. In education, before we dive into advanced topics, let's get everyone up to speed with the basics of algebra. In technology, this software updates frequently, so I'm always reading the latest release notes to get up to speed. When you want to use getting up to speed in conversation, think about situations where learning or updating knowledge is involved. You can say you're getting up to speed on something or someone is bringing you up to speed. It's a versatile phrase that can be used in various contexts to indicate learning or catching up. We hope this video has brought you up to speed on the phrase, getting up to speed. Understanding and using idiomatic expressions can greatly enrich your English communication skills. Remember, language learning is a journey, and each new phrase or expression you master is a step forward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.